How to check messages on Instagram. Checking messages on mobile. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. At the top right corner of the app, tap on the messenger icon. Your inbox will load, displaying a full list of your messages and replies. Unread messages will be displayed in bold. Tap on any conversation to read or reply to the messages. If you have unseen message requests, you'll see a notification in the top right corner. Click on it. Tap on the chat to view and manage these messages, including options to delete, block, or accept. Checking messages on desktop. Go to Instagram's desktop site at instagram.com. Log in with your account. Click on the messenger icon in the left corner of the main display. Your inbox will load, and you can scroll through each response using the list on the right. Unread messages will be displayed in bold. Click on any conversation to read or reply. And that's it.